Imagine a world where a single cryptocurrency exchange's IPO is met with unprecedented enthusiasm, and you're about to find out how this is shaking up the financial landscape. According to sources, the upcoming initial public offering, IPO, of Gemini Space Station, the crypto exchange co-founded by twins Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, has seen demand soar to an astonishing 20 times the number of shares available, reflecting the intense interest investors have in cryptocurrency ventures. This overwhelming response indicates a robust desire from investors to engage with crypto companies, especially as the IPO pricing is set to be finalized today. In preparation for the offering, Gemini and its financial backers have unexpectedly ceased accepting further requests for share purchases, a measure that underscores the IPO's fervent popularity. Additionally, the company has decided to limit its proceeds from this IPO to a total of $425 million. Instead of increasing the amount raised, any excess interest will lead to a decrease in the number of shares available, as revealed by insiders who chose to remain anonymous due to the confidentiality of the information. Without this limit, Gemini had initially aimed to secure around $433 million through the issuance of its shares, based on documentation submitted to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This estimate excludes a separate investment of $50 million made by Nasdaq, which is positioned as a strategic investor in support of this IPO. With the strong demand already pushing the proposed price per share of the 16.67 million shares to a range between $24 and $26, up from an earlier projection of $17 to $19, there's a clear signal of market confidence. Should shares sell at the higher end of this price bracket, Gemini's market capitalization could exceed $3 billion, based on calculations from its filings. Cryptocurrency listings appear to be gaining momentum in various markets. For instance, Figure Technology, a stablecoin issuer, raised an impressive $787.5 million in a recently expanded IPO, highlighting the industry's growth. Other notable players, such as Bullish, the owner of CoinDesk, and Circle, a stablecoin issuer, have also recently increased their IPO offerings. This surge in crypto listings can be attributed to several factors, including favorable regulatory conditions under a pro-crypto administration, a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies among corporations, and substantial investments flowing in from exchange-traded funds. Collectively, these elements have contributed to the sector's market valuation surpassing an eye-watering $4 trillion. Trading for Gemini is anticipated to commence this Friday, with Goldman Sachs and Citigroup serving as the principal underwriters for the IPO. Shares will be listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol GEMI. Stay tuned, as this story is still evolving. What do you think about the increasing interest in cryptocurrency IPOs? Do you believe this trend will continue, or is it a fleeting excitement? Join the discussion in the comments below.